Hello, my name is Martina Trepczyk. I'm a filmmaker, photographer and artist, and I was invited to come here to JOALI to have a screening of my film Tigereyes and to showcase my exhibition in our hands.
So when we talk about nature and Maldives, these two are very much intertwined. There's no Maldives without our pristine oceans and our beautiful beaches. So when I think about Maldives and nature, that's my life. Tigereyes is a movie that reflects on my journey to finding the ocean, or rather the ocean finding me. It's a brief documentary film about the initial stages of my career, of me falling in love with sharks, my relationship with sharks, my relationship with the ocean.
The reason I chose to collaborate with JOALI was because their values align with mine, and I was very impressed to learn that JOALI has the highest female employment rate across all resorts throughout the Maldives. And it's very important for me to encompass female empowerment, breaking stigmas and rewriting the narrative into my work, which in whatever way I work, whether it is photography, filmmaking, storytelling.
JOALI actively works in female empowerment and bringing more women into the field and pushing them towards reaching more heights. So the movie being about an ode to or a metaphor for female empowerment, we felt like this was the perfect place to do the screen.
It's really exciting to bring my fine art to the place of origin where I made it, because a lot of my pieces from my collection were actually shot here on the beautiful Maldives. But it was really a privilege to bring the short film Tigereyes here where it was made, and it was the first screening ever where Hamty and I were right next to each other. The film has traveled so far and it has played on so many film festivals, but this felt really special. Or to receive feedback and opinions of how the guests liked it, but I also really loved to learn how the local staff perceived my film. That was really special to me.
I think joy means to me peace of mind, and wherever I see this ocean here, I hear the ocean, or I'm in the ocean, it brings me immense joy.
Upon arrival at JOALI, I was completely stunned. I'm still in complete awe of how beautiful this place looks and how it incorporates the natural surrounding and how beautiful the architecture is, how kind the hospitality is. I feel really this place is really something special and it's quite magical to be here.
My biggest message to the world will be just, even if it's for a minute of the day, spend some time in nature, to ground yourself. There is no better way.